Good afternoon, students. Welcome back to EVS subject. Now we will go for the second chapter, that is green wealth. Lesson number 2, green wealth. In this chapter we need to learn and understand varieties of plants found in your locality. You need to learn about crops, different types of leaves and their shapes, colors, structure and smell. Shedding of leaves during certain seasons, preparing manure using the shed leaves, and different types of leaves. This is the particular introduction that you have to understand in this chapter. Let's go in detail with this introduction. The plants are classified into herbs, shrubs, trees and creepers according to their height and hardness of their stem. Okay. First one, herbs. See the picture here. These all are herbs. Herbs are small plants and their stems are very soft. They are very small. Herb is a flavorful plant. These are used in cooking because it gives nice smell in your food. That's what we used for in the kitchen and also used as medicine. For example, tomato, wheat, ginger and mint, etc. Okay, second one, shrubs. Can you see the picture of shrubs? Yes, these all are shrubs. Look at the picture. How the plant is spread out from the downside. All the branches of this plant will grow and spread out at the lower part of the plant, isn't it? Yes. Shrubs are the plants with bit hard stem. Means the stem of shrubs are a bit hard and the branches spread out at the lower part of the plant. For example, lemon, rose, jasmine, hibiscus, etc. Next, trees. See the picture here. These all are trees. Trees have hard stem and they grow tall. Everywhere you have seen the trees, isn't it? Yes. Trees have very hard stem. Means the stem of these trees are very hard. For example, mango, neem, banyan, peepal, sandalwood, coconut, etc. These are some examples of trees. Next, creepers. Look at the picture. Creepers have long stem. What they have? They have long stem, but they are smaller inside. They are very small inside. And the stem of the creeper is delicate, means very weak. Creepers has a weak stem and it grows along the ground. For example, watermelon, cucumber, melon, pumpkin, etc. These are classification of plants according to their height and hardness of their stem. Okay. Do you understand about today's topic? Okay. We'll see in the next class. Thank you, children.